Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best grass seed in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The appearance and texture of your lawn are influenced to a large extent by the nature of your grass seeds. Fine seeds are hard to come by, but the Jonathan Green 10323 Black Beauty Ultra mixture gets top marks for quality. Still, the best thing about the Black Beauty Ultra is that beyond the growth it brings to your lawn, it packs much aesthetic appeal. The seeds will grow to become a lawn that resembles one plucked from the Amazon jungle itself. The leaf texture is also very uniform, so your lawn doesn't look like a field that has been half-beaten by the sun. The Black Beauty Ultra provides a wax coating that helps to preserve moisture while also preventing the incidence of any disease whatsoever. The roots of these seeds grow up to 4 feet into the soil, so they achieve a solid hold in the ground. This also makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life. The Grass Seed Sun and Shade Mix from Mountain View features as our best grass seed for this guide, bringing the essential properties of every grass seed. Thanks to the implementation of innovative technology, the manufacturers have been able to provide grass seed that will grow into disease and insect-free turf. When you get these seeds, all you have to do is wait for a little, so your kids can have a special place in the yard to roll and play without worrying about being bitten by some pesky insects. The grass seeds are fine blended, and they have the resilience to grow even on the harshest of soil. Also, these seeds are low maintenance, thanks to their WaterGuard QS coating. The makeup of the seeds sees to it that they grow fast, and all you have to do is take care of and ensure that the conditions are perfect. When you use these seeds, you won't experience a case where water soaks up the whole turf. For other grass seeds, you might have such a scenario play out, but here, you can sleep well at night thanks to its polymer coating. Be sure to also check out our list of the best weeding tools for more great items like this. If your lawn ever has any of those bald spots and you're looking for something to help remedy this as quickly as possible, then Scott's Turf Builder Grass Seed is one of your best bets. Covering up to about 750 square feet, this grass seed provides effective control for erosion and ground cover as well. Under the right conditions, the seeds can begin to grow after about 4 to 7 days. Thanks to their low maintenance characteristic, you can rest assured that minimal effort from you will still see these seeds grow exponentially. The grass seeds from Scott's don't have any weeds or pests in them, so you know that what you get is lush, green lawn and nothing more. They also last long, not the type to die a few weeks after you plant them. And you can take care of your lawn with one of the best robot lawn mowers from our list. Formulated from 100% Kentucky bluegrass, the Berenberg USA TVKBG7 TV 7 pounds Kentucky bluegrass seed provides an unusual mix of functionality and aesthetic appeal to your lawn. If you're worried about its growth, don't be. The seed provides a lush, fast-growing lawn that eliminates any insects and provides a disease-free playing zone for the whole family. As regards color, you can also rest assured that the lawn you get with this grass will look uniform and aesthetically appealing. The most impressive feature that you get with the Berenberg USA TVKBG7 TV 7 pounds Kentucky bluegrass seed will have to be the versatility that it brings. Whether your home has moderately shady or completely sunny conditions, the grass seed will grow and germinate without much stress. Our handy guide to the best cordless lawn mowers features more great products like this. There's a lot that you get from the X-Seed Ultra Premium Quick and Thick Lawn Seed Mixture. This is why most grass seed rankings always contain it. To kick things off, this grass seed germinates fast, of course, with the right conditions and sufficient water. It also has a long life expectancy, with the ability to come back year after year. Are you getting excited yet? Well, there's more. With the X-Seed Ultra Premium Seed Mixture, you get up to 14,000 SQ. Fort cover for existing lawns and 7,000 SQ. Fort for new lawns. Using this product, you can as well choose to get lawn cover for your entire house if you want. The seed produces a very sturdy lawn, with the ability to withstand high traffic and sandy soil. Get the boys over, it's time to play some soccer. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best riding lawn mowers.